Before the first prayer was whispered, before man even built a temple, there were the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. Not just outside us, but within. You are not a person walking on earth. You are earth, dancing in human form. The ancients knew this. The yogis lived by it. And Sadhguru revives this ancient Kriya, Bhuta Shuddhi, a sacred purification of the elemental forces that shape your destiny. We chase success, love, health, even enlightenment, without realizing the foundation of all this lies in balance. Not mental balance, elemental balance. If your body is made of earth and water, if your breath is air, your digestion fire, your awareness space, shouldn't your first spiritual step be to honor and align these? Bhuta Shuddhi is not philosophy. It's not belief. It's direct, raw contact with life's source code. Sadhguru often reminds us, you don't fix the fruit, you fix the root. And the root of your experience is elemental. When the earth in you is stable, you feel grounded. When the water flows right, emotions don't drown you. When the fire burns clean, you're vibrant. When air moves freely, breath becomes ease. And when space opens, something else, something beyond the 5, begins to whisper. This Kriya is not complicated. It doesn't ask for your devotion. It asks for your presence. A simple, intentional process involving breath, sound, and awareness. It creates an inner resonance with the 5 elements. Like tuning an instrument. You don't play music until the strings are right. Similarly, no real spiritual process can begin if your inner elements are dissonant. The beauty of Bhuta Shuddhi is that it's embodied. It doesn't float in abstract thought. It happens in the bones, in the fluids, in the breath. That's why even 5 minutes of practice can shift your day. You may not notice angels singing, but suddenly life feels lighter. Food digests better. Thoughts lose their bite. You walk into your day not armored, but aligned. In a world of overstimulation and disconnection, Bhuta Shuddhi brings you back to the raw material of existence. It's the pause that powers clarity, the silence that precedes joy. Modern seekers often think they need to learn more, read more, but often they just need to cleanse. Because clarity is not gained, it's revealed once the dust of imbalance is swept away. Sadhguru doesn't offer Bhuta Shuddhi as an escape from life, but as a way to participate more fully. Imagine meeting your life with all 5 elements tuned. Imagine facing challenge, not with anxiety, but with elemental grace. This is not superstition. This is spiritual science, grounded, repeatable, and alive within you. If you've ever felt fragmented, scattered, or lost, maybe it's not the world that's off. Maybe it's the 5 elements that need cleansing. Bhuta Shuddhi is the forgotten key. And once you hold it, you don't just live more peacefully. You live more truthfully. Begin here. Begin with the elements.